If you want to change your Steam profile name in games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy way to update your Steam name so it appears in most games you play. This is perfect if you want a fresh new name, fix a typo, or just change how you show up to friends and other players. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Steam Community, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your username. This opens your account menu where you can access your profile settings. From the menu, click View My Profile. This takes you straight to your public Steam profile page. On that page, look for the blue Edit Profile button and click it. This is where Steam lets you change your profile details, including the name that shows up in many games. Now, look for the Profile Name box. Click inside that field and type your new Steam name. Take your time here and choose the name you want to be associated with your account. Once you've entered the new profile name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. After you save your changes, Steam will update your profile name. In most games, your new Steam name should automatically appear the next time you launch the game or refresh your profile information. Keep in mind that some games may take a little time to update, so if you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment and restart the game if needed. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change your Steam profile name in games using Steam Community. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you want your display name to look exactly how you want it to. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else on Steam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.